Sterling Machinery is proud to offer this 13-inch by 18-inch model S20 Series 2 used Hyd-Mech horizontal bandsaw. This saw has a capacity of 13 by 18 rectangle, 13-inch round, and 12-inch round at 45 degrees. Here's the quick-acting manual vise. Just snug the vise up to the material, push the handles down, and you're ready to cut. As you can see, this solid, thick piece of metal is no match for this HydMech bandsaw. The saw is capable of swiveling 45 degrees and has a capacity of 12 inches. Here we are cutting this pipe at a 45-degree angle. To swivel the machine, just lift the lever, swing the head to the appropriate degree. This year 2000 used HydMech saw has 4 blade speeds: 90 feet per minute, 140 feet per minute, 220 feet per minute, and 310 feet per minute. The saw also comes equipped with a work length stop and a coolant system and has a 2 horsepower motor. Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.